Hello and welcome to another review video. My name is Claudio and this is CryptoChain, the channel where I do crypto news, reviews, tutorials and interviews. So if you're new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And as always, don't forget to leave a comment if you have any kind of opinion or any kind of question on the reviews that I do or the tutorials or any kind of video that I do. So that being said, let's talk about Swipe. So Swipe, as we can see on CoinMarketCap with the ticker symbol SXP, is a token on the Ethereum blockchain, currently trading at $2.58, up 2.7% in the last 24 hours. It is very volatile, by the way, so the price swings here are quite large, we could say that, right? The gaps are, I mean, they could change like by 10-15% in any moment. So that's just something to keep in mind as always. Now the total supply is 299.9 million, circulating supply says it's 65.9 million, but there's actually more in circulation because the team tokens have been unlocked, but they're staking them in a smart contract for staking rewards, and I'm going to be talking about the staking rewards in a moment when we get to the website. But before that, let's take a look at where this can be bought. Again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and check the disclaimer in the description. This is not a sponsored video. Now, it can be gotten on Binance. It's got various pairs here, the SXP USDT pair, BTC pair. Most of the volume is on Binance. It's also on the second biggest Korean exchange called Bitum. As you can see here, trading at 256 on there, also on KuCoin and on various other exchanges. The only thing that's missing is Coinbase from that list, right? And just one thing to mention is that Coinbase have actually invested in Swipe. So it could be that they're going to list there eventually, right? Because usually when Coinbase ventures invest in a project, they tend to list it at some point. Not necessarily straight away, right? It can take some time, but they eventually do. So that's something bullish because anything that gets listed on Coinbase usually appreciates in price fairly quickly, even if it stabilizes afterwards. So let's get straight to the website here. And this is swipe.io. Again, it can be found in the description as well as the link to their Telegram page. Now, what is Swipe all about? So basically, they're competing with Crypto.com. If you don't know what Crypto.com is in the MCO card, well, they're basically Visa Debit cards that can be used to store cryptocurrencies and to purchase products, right? You can go to the supermarket, you can purchase something online and pay just as if you had a normal Visa Debit card, except you're owning cryptocurrency and it gets converted to fiat straight away. So this is pretty much what they're doing here. They're competing with Crypto.com, and because they're being bought by Binance, this is something really bullish because if you're not aware, Binance is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges. They've got a lot of funding. They've been hacked once last year, and they've actually refunded everyone that was affected. So they've actually got a funding now for possible future hacks. So they are a fairly safe exchange, right? Again, you don't have any guarantees that you're going to get your money back if they will be hacked again. But CZ, who's the CEO, is assuring you that you will get them back thanks to this funding, which is basically protecting investors. And this funding is generated through the commission fees. Of course, a small percentage get added to that fund, but no more about Binance. Let's talk about Swipe. So the ultimate cryptocurrency to fiat funded debit card. That's pretty much what it is. You do need to get the app on the phone. Again, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and so on are the different options that you can use to pay with it. But if you go to the App Store or to the iOS Store, you download the app, and then within the app, after you create the account, you can order the card and it gets delivered to you. One of the recent news that we've got from Swipe is that they're going to be delivering these cards to the US customers as well, because before that, US customers couldn't actually order them. In Europe, you could. And then they're going to open the doors to many more countries too. So Binance are really bullish on this project, and they're trying to really compete with Crypto.com to get the word out there about Swipe and get those people out there that are bullish on crypto to spend crypto as if it was fiat, basically, because you can't, like, a lot of stores don't accept cryptocurrencies, right? So the only way you can really use your crypto to spend is via these cards. So that is very important. It's an important step towards the future of cryptocurrencies. Now they've got different types of cards. They've got the Saffron card, so you get a 1% cashback on all purchases, and again the cashback is in Bitcoin, just to make that clear, and the fees are paid in SXP, which is the token that I showed you at the beginning of this video. The fees are very small, so you don't need to worry about that, but you do need to hold some SXP in the wallet in order to spend, right? But you get that cashback, which is actually bigger than the actual fee, so it makes up for it, right? Now the ATM cash access, you can use them to withdraw money from the ATM, and there's no SXP stake required, and you'll also get up to $1,000 in referral rewards. We don't have too much information on these referral rewards yet, but once you order the card and you activate it, you do get a referral code assigned to you, which you can refer other people. Now, I'm not going to refer anybody yet, but eventually I'm going to be ordering one of these cars too. I haven't ordered it yet, and when I get a referral code, I'm going to be posting it in the pinned comment of this video. But until then, I don't have a code, unfortunately, so you'll just have to go to the website directly if you want to get it for now. The Sky card is offering you a 2% cash back on all purchases. Again, the same features as before, but except this one requires a 300 SXP stake for 6 months. There's also the reward and benefits program. The Steel card is requiring a bigger stake, 3000 SXP for 6 months, but it gives 4% cash back on all purchases. So this is becoming more tempting now, because imagine every time you're going shopping and you're spending that money, you get that 4% back in Bitcoin straight away. Right after you made the purchase, you get a pop-up message on the screen showing you that, right? No foreign transaction fees either, so that's another benefit here. And then we've got the Slate card, which offers you 5% cash back on all purchases. You need a 30,000 SXP stake though, which is around 90k right now, right? So that is quite a lot of money. And $3,000 in referral rewards, which is a lot. Again, no foreign transaction fees. And who knows, maybe they're going to be adding more cards, but this is amazing. Now, why am I bullish on them? Well, I'm bullish on them because they've got Binance backing them. They're going to be they've actually enabled staking on Binance and also within the wallet. So if you're staking as little as 1 SXP, you will get staking rewards from the transaction fees, which is great. You can also run a node if you're technical and you know how to do that, and you get a share of those transaction fees as well. And we've got Swipe X as well, which we don't know what it's about, right? They've announced Swipe X, they've made a tweet about it, and we don't know what it is. So people are speculating it could be something related with DeFi. Some people are speculating it could be a new card, but who knows? I mean, it's keeping us under suspense, right? Because they want us to be questioning ourselves. What could Swipe X be, and why should we be bullish on Swipe? Thanks to Swipe X. So who knows, right? Again, we cannot speculate until we get the official answer, but people, people have to have some opinions sometimes and think, okay, maybe it could be this, maybe it could be that. So yeah, that's pretty much it with the card. Oh yeah, other benefits here. I almost forgot about these. The benefits and perks, again, they are competing with Crypto.com. So just like them, you can get Spotify, Netflix, Travala.com discounts, Uber, Prime, Airbnb, also Starbucks. So that is pretty cool. You get all these different benefits. If you have Netflix, a lot of people have Netflix. You don't have to pay as much on your monthly fee. So that is pretty cool. Let's look at the the staking information of Swipe, because that is important too. You want to find out how you can actually get the rewards, right? So here we can see that the use of SXP can be for transaction fees. So all conversion transactions that occur on the Swipe wallet are paid in SXP tokens. That means if a user spends crypto with the Visa card, or if he buys crypto with his bank account, the fees will be in SXP. Network fees, so any network related transaction requires SXP as the gas for the network fees. For example, if a user withdraws Bitcoin from the Swipe wallet, the user pays a very small SXP network fee. You can spend SXP as a currency, such as at the point of sale for gift cards directly within a Swap wallet, and Swipe card at merchants worldwide. So that is pretty cool as well. Now we've got the discounts here. So if you've got a huge balance in your wallet, 500,000 SXP, you get a wallet fee discount, which is 75%. You get a card reward enhancement of 1%. Now the card lockup stake, 30,000 SXP for the Swipe Slate Black Visa card, the one that I showed you as the last one there, that gives you the most benefits, receives all the benefits the card offers. Bonding is also another option, so you can use SXP as collateral for the Swipe network and run a validator node with our offline staking tool to earn fees from block rewards. Voting as well, you can vote on protocols. That's also cool. Now this is the important aspect of why SXP could appreciate in price fairly quickly once we get the card delivered to US customers, because with that news regarding US, I'm really bullish on Swipe, right? Because as you know, Americans do tend to spend a lot, right? If you're American, you know that yourself. Now it will destroy 80% of the SXP fees generated by the Swipe network while keeping 2% in the network smart contract for staking rewards. It will destroy 100% of the SXP fees generated by Swipe wallet fees. So that is good, because every time the Swipe wallet is being used, the fees are burning, well, the fees that are generated are burning into the supply, into the total supply, until it'll get as low as 100 million. That information can be found in the Swipe white paper. Do check it out, by the way, if you're interested to get more info on that. But 100 million, I mean, from 299 million now, I mean, that's a third being burned, so that is pretty cool, right? We're gonna have a third of the supply in total left for swipe, so you could only imagine what's gonna happen then, especially with US customers being able to use it, spending it all the time for shopping. You know, I mean, it's gonna be awesome, right? We're gonna see hopefully a wider adoption as more people get into the cryptocurrency space. I know a lot of newbies have joined the crypto space recently and are really interested in all these different projects to find out how they can benefit, of course, in the long run. So this is pretty much how it works. This is swipe right here. Hopefully I can do an update video when we find out what SwipeX is, probably in a news video when we get more information on that, because I'm really curious myself. So we'll see what happens. Let me know what you think in the comments below of Swipe. Do you own any SXP tokens? Are you bullish on them in the future? Let me know your opinion as always. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye-bye.